She will fulfill Miss Grand International's duties. If she cannot, who will they be? Who do you like, guys? Make some noise, come on! I gotta hear you! Who's it gonna be? Who is our winner going to be this year with the Golden Crown? MGI 2020! This is the moment. This is the moment we have been waiting for all evening, ladies and gentlemen. Bangkok, Thailand, and the world, are you ready to meet Miss Grand International 2020? Ladies and gentlemen, Miss Grand International 2020 is Miss Grand United States of America! Congratulations! A huge congratulations to Miss Grand United States of America, taking home the Miss Grand International 2020 crown this evening. Make some noise! Oh yeah! Congratulations to our first runner-up, Miss Grand Philippines! What a night, guys. What a spectacular show this evening, Miss Grand International 2020. The excitement, the thrills, the show. All 63 of these stunning ladies. And her first walk. One more time, guys. Miss Grand International 2020.